Before we used to order this. I
Yeah.
know, we used to order it from Hot and Cool.
So to get the square root, for example, understand?
Yeah.
What is the square root of 49?
I'm so good. I never got help. I didn't get help.
What is the square root for
Dear mother, I got 50, 50.
10? 10 times. Like simple conversation like this, you already
Paris for me is actually fun. But if the number gets really big, I like this than this more.
And is it faster?
Yeah, come look at this teeth. In like only 3 days.